what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play some Cat Stevens' Wild World. Cool, we're in standard tuning. Let's go over the chords first, then the strumming, and then the little more advanced stuff. We got A minor, song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. Then let's grab a D. Not a D major, let's just grab a D here. First, third. G major. 2, 3. C major. 1, 2, 3. And then F major. I like to play F like this with fifth in the bass. And then we got D minor this time. 1, 2, 3. To E7. 1, 2. Okay, so it's A, D, G, C, F, D minor, E7. Let's do E to E7. E7. Again, A minor, D, G, C, F, D minor. The second time that we're going to jump from E to G, and that's going to take us to the chorus. Alright, so the strumming. This little thing here, picking thing over F. Let's open D, second fret D, and third. We're just gonna make it an F. And then you're pedaling D on the G string. 2 times, go down to second fret, keep your first finger. And that's gonna be like in a D7. And that's gonna take us to the chorus, which is C, G, F, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da, G, F, C, G. Ooh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Sorry, I'm hoarse today. Okay, let's do the chorus from the beginning, from the F. D minor, E7. Okay, so that's all the chords we need. Let's figure this out. That's a little scale over F. So for the chorus, we get to the F. That's C, B, A, G, F, D, F, E, D. And on A, I think. Yeah. while I'm holding the chord. Sounds bigger like that, but you can do it like this. And then G, F, C. And over the last G, there we go. So that's G, A, B, C, B, A. D minor, E. Verse. C, F, D minor, E, E7. A, D to G, C to F, D minor to E, G. Chorus. I think they end on C major. Cool. That's all the parts we need. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll be back tomorrow with more classic hits. See you soon. Be safe. Thank you.